Hi, I'm Alan Chen, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company, and I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on undo more in Photoshop Elements, which this is the software for Photoshop Elements instead of Photoshop Creative Cloud's subscription that can cost up to $80, 80 Canadian dollars per month, and this one should cost around I think it's supposed to cost around $100 Canadian dollar per payment, software payments without any we paying every single month. So it's a bit different settings, undo settings, but so far I think adding this equal to 100 and like 50 or something. And this is 100 or 700, 70 something. There's per single software, one of them single software. So so I believe the undo settings will only works for will only works more for the will only works for any animation software except for Unity software. That's why I begin to realize that the game engine software, I don't think so I can see the undo settings somewhere else. Well, I realized that Maya and Blender have undo settings upset for the upset for those game programming animation have any undo settings. So you can do this as much as you can and control Z to go back. And I think control Y is to redo. So control Y to redo. Yeah. But you can control set kind of looks like unlimitedly, but if you change the settings or maybe change it better setting to edit, preference, general, actually saving file, performance. So go to performance on preference from this preference, edit preference performance, and change it to any unlimited, um, kind of unlimited, like undo history. Well, you can change it to one, but it's actually more like two, I think. You click enter, so minimum to two to 1,000. So when you do this, it will be slowly can't be undo too much, only once, because you only save it once. Yeah, because you've saved two files, you can undo once, it means go back once. Yes, save two files, you can go back once only. It's like this is frame one, and this is frame two. So one can go back once. The kind of coding calculation a little bit. So you can put this back a lot, up to like 100. But you realize if you control Y, you can't. Oh, actually you can not go back, but you cannot go back all the way. Control Z all the way from before. So always beware that set this preference performance and up it a little bit more before doing a lot of other stuff, new drawings instead. So yeah, so you can't really undo more after you did something else, unless you do this restart the whole project or some sort. Yeah. So you can set this properly. set this properly. And then now, yeah, from before, don't set this too late. Don't set this preference too late. Else you can't change it from before. Now you can, before I set it properly before, so I can do everything. And Control Y to redo everything and stuff like that. Control Z to go back and stuff. Yeah, 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 stuff like those. So I think I'm done this YouTube video. Yeah, and yeah, same thing as Blender, can do undo settings and same as Maya as well. Yeah, thank you.